Having a convenient, sturdy place to hang your towels is essential to staying organized and keeping your bathroom clean and clutter-free. Towel racks come in varying shapes and sizes, from wall-mounted and freestanding to shower door and over-the-door models. Whether you're looking for a compact towel rack for a studio apartment or a multi-towel holder that can accommodate a family bathroom, there is a towel rack for you. There are numerous options for cheap towel rack, every with specific capabilities, blessings, and charges. I conducted a ton of research, studied a ton of opinions, and positioned a list of the top low-cost towel rack from sincere manufacturers to help you make a knowledgeable desire. Following significant research, I found that these merchandise are pretty useful for individuals like you. If you need to know about the price and different statistics, make certain to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Deco Brothers Wall Mount Rack. Many towel display options come in wall-mounted designs because for space purposes, it makes more sense. Especially for smaller bathrooms, wall-mounted towel racks take away from any floor clutter and lift storage space, and decor to new possibilities. The Deco Brothers Wall Mount Rack is a great option to store towels family members might need, or perhaps in a guest room. This model is not the best option for letting towels dry. Many users have used this wall-mounted rack for holding wine, hanging hats, storing rolling pins, dish towels, and so much more. So, think of it as the perfect towel rack that you can upcycle to something more eventually. This model only comes in bronze, so that could be a problem for those who prefer colorful or chrome options. It measures a 38.8 x 6.7 x 4.9. Number 2. Romzo Chrome Finish Towel Bathroom. A freestanding towel rack can be the perfect choice for those renting an apartment or homes, worrying about making holes in the wall. While wall-mounted options can save space, a towel stand is great for letting towels dry, or a good option to keep in guest bathrooms when you have a lot of guests staying over and they need somewhere to rest their linens. This model comes with a chrome finish, which is one of the most popular choices when it comes to bathroom fixtures. It measures a 33 x 25 x 10.5, so not suited for tiny spaces. The rack features a bottom wire shelf where you can conveniently store other items and toiletries. There are also 3 leveled bars to hang your towels with about 2 inches or so between the bars. Number 3. iDesign Over-the-Door Towel Rack. If you have a shower door, then a shower door towel rack lets you use the real estate you have to hang wet towels. All you need to do is hang this unit on your door, and it acts as instant storage. The rack measures at 4.5 x 17.75 x 22.5 and is made of steel with ceramic finial accents, and has 3 bars to hang linens. Use this as an everyday solution or keep it under the sink for when you have guests or extra towels to dry. Besides working on the back of your shower door, you can also use this on the back of any door. Number 4. InterDesign York Lyre Over-the-Door Rack. The InterDesign York Lyre Over-the-Door Rack is different from the bar options thanks to its hook design. This model features 5 double hooks to conveniently store your towels and clothing behind your door. InterDesign York gives you various size options with this model. 5, 3, 2, 2 quad and quad hook models. Depending on your needs, you really do get a great number of choices to store your towels and rid your bathroom of clutter. It can fit over doors up to 0.75 inches thick, plus it was made in the USA. The Lyra Over-the-Door Rack was created for you to conveniently hang not only your towels, but even your handbags, robes, hats, and more. This model definitely can serve as a multi-purpose storage option. Number 5. Household Essentials Hinge Towel Rack. Space is always a major issue. No matter how you plan and decorate, it seems that there is still never enough of it. Perhaps over-the-door storage just doesn't completely suit you. Don't give up just yet, maybe you'll enjoy a towel rack that works with the hinges of your door instead. The Household Essentials Hinge Towel Rack is an innovative design. 4 hanging bars work as a towel rack that can easily install at the hinges of your door or on a wall. The entire rack measures at 53.5 x 66.5 between the top and bottom hinges. In all, it is 70 high and 1 inch deep. You can preview the installation instructions before purchasing in case you fear it may be too difficult of a project to handle. This innovative design allows you some space freed while also getting rid of unnecessary clutter. It makes for a perfect fit in your bathroom or bedroom, and allows your perfectly folded towels to hang neatly. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.